Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull in Australia. Unfortunately, Webull does not directly offer services to Australian residents due to regulatory differences. However, you can still access global markets. We'll explore how Australian investors can navigate these restrictions and find suitable alternatives. This guide will help you understand the options available to trade internationally, ensuring you meet local compliance requirements. Let's get started with finding the right platform for you. Since Webull isn't an option, many Australian investors turn to platforms like Interactive Brokers or eToro. These brokers offer extensive access to international markets, including U.S. stocks and ETFs. When choosing, compare their fee structures, available assets, and the quality of their research tools. It's crucial to verify that any broker you consider is properly licensed and regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, or ASIC, to protect your investments. This ensures a secure and compliant trading experience. Once you've selected an alternative broker, the next step is setting up your account. This typically involves completing an online application form with your personal details. You'll also need to provide identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license, to comply with Know Your Customer or KIC regulations. After your account is approved, you can fund it using various methods like bank transfers. Always check for any minimum deposit requirements, which can range from $0 to several $100, depending on the broker. With your account funded, you're ready to start trading. Remember to understand the tax implications for international investments in Australia, as capital gains and dividends are subject to local laws. Always monitor market news and diversify your portfolio to manage risk effectively. For those long trading sessions, staying hydrated is key. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. It's important to continuously educate yourself and adapt your strategies for successful long-term investing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.